This old guy DIY video has to do with determining the influence, removing the muzzle brake and replacing it with a thread protector has on a 300 blackout with a 7.5-inch barrel. So a friend has this AR pistol and he needs it to be shortened a little bit to fit in the case that he has. So he asked me if I would help him by removing that muzzle brake and then installing the little thread protector. As long as I'm going to be doing that, I asked him if the muzzle brake makes it louder or quieter, and he said he didn't know. So I went online, I got the Decibel X app, and I'm going to take the Decibel X app and take this thing outside and take a couple of shots with the muzzle brake on, then remove the muzzle brake, put the thread protector on, and then take a couple shots and compare the two. Now I've been told the Decibel X is a free app for phones, so I shouldn't expect it to be perfect as far as the reading is concerned. And for the sake of this little demonstration, I don't think it matters what the number is. I'm just trying to determine whether the gun is louder with the muzzle brake or without the muzzle brake. And based on what I read, I would expect that the decibel reading will be around 165. So we'll find out. But one other thing, on his guns, since he has 5.56 as well as 300 blackout uppers, he just takes a black Sharpie and writes the number there on the dust cover. So when somebody picks up the tool, they know immediately whether that's a 5.56 or a 300 blackout without having to look at the writing on the end of the barrel. So you can see in there. So we'll take the Decibel X tool outside and see what we can learn. So that one says 126.5. 126.5 again. So it seems that with the muzzle brake on here, it's 126.5. Now we'll take the muzzle brake off. We'll repeat this unscientific test and see what the number is later. The muzzle brake has been replaced with a thread protector, and it has a crush washer before the thread protector, so it'll stay there forever. Now we're going to take a couple shots again and see what the decibels read here. 124. 128. And 126. So it appears that it really doesn't make any difference whether there's a muzzle brake or a thread protector on the end of a 7.5-inch 300 blackout AR pistol barrel when it comes to the noise. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. To summarize my unscientific test of the noise difference between a 7.5-inch 300 blackout AR pistol with a muzzle brake and a pistol with just a thread protector on it. The muzzle brake came in at 126 decibels on an uncalibrated Decibel X app that I got for free, and the thread protector came in with readings between 124 and 128. So I'd say that averages out to 126. Effectively, there's no difference in the noise between a 300 blackout AR pistol with a thread protector or a muzzle brake. And now, as a result of having that thread protector on, this thing will fit into the case where my buddy wants to carry it. Now, having replaced the muzzle brake with a thread protector, this thing will fit just fine into the case where my friend wants to carry this pistol. It's just a matter of adding some of that black pluck foam and he'll be in action. So thank you for watching and have a great day.